Hello guys, here is Tekumari, one of the founders of Marketing Solutions. Actually, today we're going to be talking about the first model, which is the right mindset that you're going to adopt to build your business online on the internet. And I'm going to basically take some tips from the book that I wrote with Paul, The Secret to Grow Your Business Online. And I'm sure that I have already told you guys in my introduction video that the most important thing, most of what you're going to do online, 80% depends on your mindset. So here I'm really going to just be brief about a certain few things. And what I want you to know is that you have to believe in yourself. You see, you bought your starter package. Most of you guys, when you bought the starter package for 78,000 or 138,000, was just like, let me try and see if this thing works. Okay, so what you have to do is that you have to believe in yourself and stop basing your life on your past experiences. If you have not been able to make any subscription, it's because you're not taking a lot of action. You're still at the level of gambling and doing a lot of things. So the most important thing in life is that you have to learn how to believe in yourself. You have to take 100% responsibility for your life. You have to stop behaving as if someone owed you, and take charge and make it happen. A lot of people live their lives complaining and they never get things up and running. They complain about their government, about their spouse, children. And if you must succeed in network marketing, you have to take 100% responsibility for whatever happens to you. Basically, I've heard this phrase like, my upline has to do stuff for me. He told me that when I register, he's going to put people under me. So that stuff does not exist, okay? And the next thing is that you have to know how do you perceive money. You see, money, we have been taught in school that money is a medium of exchange, it's a store of value, a standard of deferred payment. But actually, money is just value multiplied by leverage. You see, the amount of money that you're going to make in life is in direct proportion to the number of people that you're going to help. So you have to help a lot of people and you have to give out a lot of value. You see, most of these world internet marketers, you see the Eric Ward, the Ray Hinton, the Spanish Ceballos, those are marketers that give out a lot of value. So if they're making 7 figures or 8 figures in dollars, is because they're actually sharing a lot of value. They're helping a lot of people. You have to give a lot of free information to people if you want them to really get to know about your opportunity and to register under your network. So you have to apply the mentality of, I have to love people and use money in your life. And as Pablo Picasso said, the whole essence is not just getting a starter package for 138,000. The essence is taking action. After you get your starter package, what next? You have to take action. You have to organize yourself, organize your timetable, do a lot of things and make sure that you succeed as well. You have to take action, because whatever you do, if you're not taking action, is worthless. And when I mean action, I don't mean action that you take today and tomorrow you don't take. I mean consistent action. You have to take action. You will have to suspend judgment. Take a leap of faith, act as if they are true, and try them out. Only then will you have first-hand experience about their effectiveness in your life. So don't sit on your dreams. Avoid procrastination. You see, in network marketing, it's easy for you to procrastinate. Maybe you had a meeting with somebody, you are supposed to have a meeting, or you're supposed to work out today and prospect people, and you're just like, I'm feeling lazy, I'm feeling tired, let me just push it to tomorrow. There's no tomorrow in network marketing. Everything is always done today. So you have to really avoid procrastination. Too many people want more from their lives. They will tell you how they want to make money, but they never actually get anything things up and running. They just sit and they never do stuff. So please try as much as possible to avoid procrastination. And serious people actually do something. Non-serious people actually talk about doing something or plan to do something. I'm sure in your network you've heard a lot of people that tell you that, no, Dima, I'm going to work hard, I'm going to do a lot of things. I'm actually very committed to being successful. But how committed are you? Depends on your action. So, and what you have to know is you have to be consistent. You see, it doesn't take, what what will give you money in network marketing is actually consistency. When I mean consistency, if you're calling somebody every day, you make sure you're calling the person. If you're sending out emails to your list of prospects, you're sending the emails. So you have to be consistent in that action. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you that you'll make money the first time. That's not what I'm guaranteeing you. But if you're consistent, you end up making the millions that people actually make on the internet for sure. Especially the strategy I'm about to show you. So you have to be consistent and you have to be persistent. The most essential factor is persistence, the determination never to allow your energy or enthusiasm to be dampened by the discouragement that must inevitably come. I want you to look at this statement very well. You see, the most essential factor is persistence and the determination never to allow your energy or enthusiasm to be dampened by the discouragement that must inevitably come. You will be rejected many times in network marketing, so you have to prepare yourself for that. But it's really the surest way for you to succeed. So many times, many of life's failures are people who do not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. Maybe you were just, let me not use that phrase, you were just one client away from making your first 19,000. That's not what I wanted to say, but maybe it was just it actually. So you have to remain very consistent. Please be truthful and remain humble. And also, what I want you guys to take notes is very important. I want you guys to look at this thing that I'm going to tell you. You see, with your team, whether you joined under Zima, you joined under whichever team, as far as you're in this group, you have to build a team with your people. I will encourage everybody in this group to do what I and Paul, we are thinking of doing, and we always do what we say we do. Anything that we say we are going to do, we do it. You have to build a team of people that are really dedicated and devoted to your success, and devoted to their success and to your success. So you guys have to have meetings, organize gatherings with your teams, meetings, seminars where you help them, you interact with them, you get connected with them, you tell them, you share. Many people are just suffering network marketing. Many people are just too upset about what is happening in their community. Many people are just about an inch away from giving up. So how do you know if that meeting was that person's last hope of actually saying that, okay, let me just try again, let me just hope, let me just do something one more? These meetings have a power that we cannot understand, but it's very important for you to organize meetings with your team. So that is all about today. Remember, let me make a recap. You have to believe in yourself, you have to take action, you have to understand what money is all about, be persistent, be consistent. And I'm wishing everybody a very successful and happy new year. And I wish that you go through this training, especially this thing on mindset development. The next video basically will be talking about how to build your business online, to grow your network online. Thank you very much. It was really fun having you guys here. Thank you.